Hello there, hi. Your business is a direct reflection of your energy. So it makes sense, doesn't it, to dive deep beneath the surface to see what's going on for you. These sessions are for women who want to connect in a deeper way to their spirituality, to help them become wiser business owners. We'll cover the logical side of things on how to make sales and take inquiries into paying customers. But more importantly, we're going to connect deep beneath the surface, to connect to that powerful feminine, because that's where the magic happens. During the first hour, I'll share the logical mind theory behind the topic of the month. And in the second hour, we'll invite one of the women to step up and help her to find a breakthrough with a business or personal challenge that she's having. Together we'll support her in finding a solution to this challenge, because everything is energy. Every month there'll be different subjects and we'll explore all the logical business topics like marketing, selling, that sort of thing. But we're always going to add an energetic layer to it. There'll be other subjects as well, like calling in your perfect 5-star clients energetically and creating a smart business. And because money is masculine energy, there'll be a lot around this topic too, because money is a direct reflection of what's going on for you beneath the surface. Why me? I'm an energy healer, author and soul coach. And I've run a marketing agency plus lots of other businesses along the way and helped lots of women in business. And because of that, what I want to do is share the knowledge that I have inside this brain of mine with all you beautiful women. And there's nothing in my experience more powerful than a group of women who collectively have all got each other's backs. It's a completely confidential space. You'll learn loads, and one of the most beautiful benefits of coming to join us is you'll make friends for life.